Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video. Today I'll walk you through how to fix OneDrive error code 0x80049d61, and the step is go to share field and type cmd run as administrator and click yes, and I will control V to paste our code here. I'll put the code in description and hit enter. After that, you need to restart your PC. You cannot restart my PC because I record right now. Restart your PC, that will fix the problem. And this video for today, I hope you helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye. Oops, forget record registry.